Another classic na naman tayo. Uy, si Boy Dila, nakalaro ko. Ang haba ng dila pala niyan, mga men. Pakikitaan ko kayo para mag-crystal 2. At
wipe out all the injustice in the world.
Masya Core. What? Ay, nakulangan. Kailangan mo mag-core Masya. Uy, may Dragon Ball tayo. Masya
Wipe out all the injustice in the world.
Let's go. Ayaw mag-core ng Masya. Masya, sisipain kita ano. Pakikitaan ko kayo paano mag-crystal 2. Uy, ano Masya, makikipaglaban ka? Hindi naman. Bakit? 1-1, mas maganda ako sa'yo. Asa ka, pangit mo. Uy, Aurora, ang ganda ng skin mo ah. Ako pa. Elkert, ang cute mo. Sinabi mo pa. Basta si Zilong tahimik lang. Aha. Game. Boys guy. Ay, boys English.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed!
Sino ang ating tour? Oh my god, si Wangwang. Oh, mag-mid lane ko ako dito ah. Pakita ko. Oh. Nagpapakulo ng yan. Oh, diba? Sabi ko sa inyo guys, tatakbo yan. Oy. Aray. Sakit. No damage. No damage.
Knowing is not enough. We must apply.
Ay! O diba guys, ganun lang makatakas.
Everybody has to start somewhere.
Basic makatakas, men. Ganun lang makatakas. Pag hindi kayo tumakas, tumakbo kayo, gamit nyo itong
Empty your cup
nyo.
in order to fill it again.
Bakit mo pinipilit yung amplificator mo? Sobrang sakit agad ni Chu. Tignan mo naman yung kamao, kulay blue. Blue flame.
The man who can beat me has not been born yet.
Kahit nasa tori ka pa, sisipakan kita, ano. Op, kahit
Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but in order.
Para hindi mainit sa amin, sobrang init eh. Ay, yung ano. Ang dali naman, nakatakot. Uy, tago tayo sa tori.
First blood!
Ayun, sinusblog yung kakampi ko. Lumugid kasi eh. Babawian natin yung kakampi natin, siyempre. Kung nagre-reklamo.
Everybody has to start somewhere.
Nagagawa. Kayaan mo na, pre. Before ka na lang magtyaga ka.
The man who can beat me has not been born yet.
The enemy has slain the turtle. Launch attack!
Knowing is not
Patay ka.
I could not see anything but darkness.
Bakit tayo napatay ng Elkert?
Not knowing oneself, that's the worst.
Pagkagalit ko, sabay sipa, sabay flicker, sabay mag-grocery. Dayok lang din natin.
Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but in order.
Sobrang dali lang mag-chew eh. Ganito lang mag-chew.
Request backup! Okay!
Neon!
Empty your cup in order to fill it again.
Ano yung galawang ko Neon? May tinipian tayo.
In the world of
An
Kung
enemy
Fu,
has been slain.
defines the
Ang
winner.
sakit naman nito.
An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain. Killing. Request backup.
The man who can beat me has not been born yet.
Ito talaga nabubuhay.
Understood. An ally has been slain.
Ay, ganun kumalat.
You have been slain.
Yan, namatay tayo. Ay,
Could not see anything.
nariripulan na tayo, men.
Darkness.
Masya kasi. Ano naman, nagiging si Chase naman
Request
ito.
backup. Understood. Enemy rampage.
Bahala ka dyan. Dito na ako sa gold. Magbubugbog ako ng MM.
In the world of Kung Fu, speed defines the winner.
You have slain an enemy.
Ang sakit naman yun.
Ally has been slain.
Ano na?
An enemy has been slain.
Ano, ang sakit.
Enemy double kill.
Bakit ganon?
Launch attack.
Knowing is not enough. We must apply.
Bigyan natin tong Aurora kung makapalagay sa akin.
Empty your cup in order to fill it again.
Ano naman itong pinagsasasabi ko?
I could not see anything.
Hindi yan, nakapag-flicker eh. Dapat pinag-save yung flicker ko. Ba't ko rin yung 1-1? Ewan ko rin eh. Bakit ba nag-Korean? Sabi ko nga, siya ko rin. Siya ba yung masya?
Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but in order.
Ano, sinisisi na kami. Lahat na natin. Wala na tayo magagawa eh. Hindi na daw tayo marunong mag-adjust.
An ally is
Grabe na yung flicker.
Everybody has to start somewhere.
Mahana pa ako.
You have been slain.
I could not see anything. But
An ally has slain the turtle.
Talo.
Shut down. An ally has been slain.
Bakit panalo ito? Nag-left the match na tuloy. Bakit si Jake yung
in the world
boses
of
ko?
Kung Fu, speed defines the
Request
winner.
Life
backup
time
has
pag
been
mag-honor.
slain. Request backup.
Susunod na mag-honor na lang ako.
Everybody has to start somewhere.
Ang laro ko eh. Pero walang papantay sa MM. Maganda eh.
Launch attack.
Not knowing oneself, that's the worst. The man who can beat me has not been born
Our
yet.
turret has been destroyed.
Wait lang, paano nito nalaman?
Our turret is under attack.
Empty your cup
An enemy
in order
has
to
been
fill it
slain.
again.
Nangiwag na sa lamin. Ayan na, ayan na.
Double kill. You have slain an enemy.
Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but in order.
Panis.
Your team destroyed a turret. An ally has been slain.
Pag ako tinusok nito,
Request backup.
Knowing is not enough.
You have slain an enemy.
okay, take down
Launch
natin
attack.
yung dahil sa KS.
An enemy has been slain. Launch attack.
Pero syempre, di pa rin mawawala yung pagkatalo ni Wanmon. Nalulungkot kasi ito, bakit kasi hindi tayo nag-adjust? Nakita ko dito.
Our request backup.
Kala ko nasita ako.
Your team destroyed a turret.
In the world of Kung Fu, speed defines the winner.
Kala
spree!
Everybody has to start somewhere. The man who can beat me has not been born yet. Not knowing oneself, that's the worst.
Killing spree!
Knowing is not enough. We must apply.
Killing spree!
Masakit na tayo, mga peg.
Empty your cup
Grabe na.
in order to fill it again.
Medyo sumasakit na ang ating hero.
Request backup!
Siyempre, sinita natin yun. Nakikdown ko agad.
An enemy has been slain!
Rampage!
Request backup! Shut down! Launch attack!
Nakakapama wala. Wala akong sinugod sa Torres.
Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but in order.
Eh di nawala naman ako sa mapa.
Not knowing oneself, that's the worst.
Mega kill!
Okay, tatakasan na kita. Bye-bye.
An ally has been slain.
Eh, siyempre, di ko iiwan ang aking
Mega kill!
ito.
Double kill!
Ito kami.
The man who can beat me has not been born yet.
Ayun to. Nakakabangat na natin. Sumasakit na yung ating coup. Sa oras na tayo ay sumakit. Wala na. Wala nang pag-asa tong mga to.
In the world of Kung Fu, speed defines the winner.
Gather up the Lord!
Ano ba pinapatamaan ito?
Our turret has been destroyed.
Knowing is not enough. We must apply.
Bakit niya pa pinipilit kung hindi naman talaga pwede? Oy!
An ally has attack! Four!
Everybody has to start somewhere.
Enemy unstoppable! An enemy has been slain! Your team destroyed the turret!
Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but in order.
Bakit ka na? Ngayon ka pa nawala ng gana kung kailan medyo bawi-bawi na tayo. Ano bang nasa utak mo? 1-1? Sagot lang. Hindi naman tong 1-1 na kalabang ko. Hindi ka naniniwala sa salitang hanggat meron ka.
Unstoppable!
Ito na nga.
Darkness.
Na umarang.
An enemy has been slain!
Ano? Cartoon. Hello.
An enemy has been slain!
Bakit daw parang si Kate magsalita? Three things nga.
An ally has your team destroyed the turret!
Yung Lord, dina-atake ng Tora malapit na mawasak kay kayo. Nawasak
Your
na.
team destroyed the turret!
Hindi talaga kayo gayaan si three things.
Your team destroyed the turret! An ally has been slain!
At mukhang mababaligtad namin ang laro. Okay mga perd, baligtad na nga ang laro namin. Bravo! Pwede na kami manalo. Ayun lang.
Enemy godlike! Your team destroyed the turret!
The darkness.
Hindi ata ako love nitong mga kakampitin na to eh. Ito na guys, malapit na ako mag-ano. Mag-malakas.
An ally has been slain!
Grabe naman. Ano kaya next kong gagamitin sa next game? Alam ko na. Pero hindi ko sasabihin.
Request
Everybody has to
backup!
start somewhere.
Bawal ko yung sabihin.
Shut down. An enemy has been slain.
Knowing is not
kill.
enough. We
Launch
must
attack.
apply.
Baka iniisip niya, ginagaya ko si Kate. Hindi ko gawa din yun eh. Hindi ko nga po alis.
Not knowing oneself, that's the worst.
Shut down.
Nalaman ko lang yung pangalan nun. Sinabi niya sa akin ng kaibigan ko.
Our turret is under attack.
Anong ginawa ko sa
Enemy
boss ako?
legendary.
Anong nangyari dito? Open mic ba ako?
The man who can beat me has not been born yet. In the world of Kung Fu, speed
Ang
defines the
dami
winner.
naman tumugod sa akin dito mga bird. Pero syempre matatakasan ko yan.
Request backup.
Empty your cup in order to fill it again.
Gather at the Lord.
Eh, baka Bruce Lee to. Ay,
Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but an order.
mag-subscribe na lang kayo nang matuwa.
Gather at the Lord.
Empty your cup in order to fill it again.
You have slain an enemy. Double kill.
Mga hamunin. At sumasakit na ang aking puso. Grabe namang ito na to. Ang
Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Defines the winner.
Una,
Request backup.
first,
Understood.
ulti, and part.
Knowing is not enough. We must apply. The man who can beat me has not been born yet.
Ally has been slain. An ally has slain Lord.
Grabe, dapat ito na lang.
Everybody has to start somewhere.
An enemy has been slain. Enemy has been slain. Killing spree. An ally has been slain.
Nasipa pa nga sa tore, nabaligtad pa.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Imbis na ako matitake down, siya ang na-take down ko. Siyempre, baka...
Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but an order.
Ano ba nangyayari dito? Iwan.
Not knowing oneself, that's the worst.
Nagtataka na ako guys. Baka natatakot na ako dito sa 1-1. Nagsasalita, wala namang kaaway.
The man who can beat me has not been born yet.
Okay lang kaya itong man mo na to. Ano naman, okay lang siya. Nag-aalas.
An enemy has been slain. Ally has been slain.
Okay, tama. Para pumunta tayo.
Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but an order. Not knowing oneself, that's the worst.
Pareho kami ng speed ng 1-1, no?
Empty your cup in order to fill
Launch
it again.
attack.
Sila yun na.
In the world of Kung Fu, speed defines the winner.
Enemy legendary.
Nasa-aggressive naman ang
Launch
aking mga
attack.
kalaban.
Knowing is not enough. We must apply. Not knowing oneself.
Request
That's the
backup.
worst.
Request backup.
Knowing is not enough. We must apply.
Ayun lang, may scan ako.
I could not see.
Yun lang yung pagkakamali mo nagawa ko.
An ally has been slain. Initiate retreat.
Malis naman.
An enemy has been slain. An enemy has been slain. Push first.
Romodayas na. Kaso wala pa rin ako maisip. Ano bibili ko? Ano? Chuba?
Initiate retreat.
I-report daw namin si Joshin. Sabi ni Wanwan. Ano ba yan? Lagi na kayo nagre-report.
The man who can beat me has not been born yet.
Nag-AFK pa kasi eh.
An ally attack. Lord.
Pero pa pa ngayon. Ano samalan doon? Wala akong ready.
An enemy has been slain.
Ayun, iyak ka talaga doon.
Boxing is not a way to hurt somebody, but in order.
Shut down.
Wala mo ba makakatakas ka?
Everybody has to start somewhere. Empty your cup in order to fill it again. In the world of Kung Fu, speed defines the winner.
Ang nabalik ka doon na.
Killing spree.
Empty your cup in order to fill it again.
Yay! Nabaligtad namin ang laban.
Victory.
Epic comeback namin. Sobrang swerte naman. Okay, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.